Hello. This is continuing on with my vlogging thing with Jakey that I'm doing this week. I didn't quite get to do a live tonight just because I feel crummy, as you can probably tell on my voice. But I am working on a shirt order from a old friend, and they want, let me just switch it and show you. They want this design. That's one of them anyways. And then the other one is this one. So I'm going to show you how you can make or design shirts that someone sends you if you're a shirt designer. I hate just like doing the image trace because number one, it's never very clear and it's never what I really want it to be, and second, I feel like it's just straight up stealing, so I always try to redo the design even though that is more work on myself. So here we are on Creative Fabrica. What you can do is wherever you get your image, like this is on Messenger, I just right click and you can click search image with Google, and that gives me kind of an idea of like, okay, where are the designs being found, what other versions are there, what other colors, things like that. So I get some inspiration like that. I also look to see if the SVG is available for purchase, because I'd rather purchase that than recreate it all. But I mean, I can kind of guess what font that is using the Adobe resources I have, as well as yeah, that's super easy to do. Anyway, so I knew the basketball manager was going to be more of a difficult one to make, but the stacked wavy font is all the rage right now. The era thing is like everybody's big deal. And so I am getting this from Creative Fabrica. I will put the link in this video. And yeah, I've already downloaded it. I'm just trying to find it. So that may take a second. So let me do that and then we'll get started. Just kidding. I guess I had already downloaded it and installed it. So let me get you back over to Illustrator. And we'll get started. Wavy stacked. And it's going to say, in my basketball manager era. And I know y'all can't see that, neither can I. Let's just see what happens when I get to 100. Oh, it does it like a bunch of times. What? I do not understand. Okay, let's see. Trying to see. Okay. 50. In my okay. Every time I hit enter, my lines are too far apart. also just really don't like that. Why is it a bunch of lines? Why isn't it just one line? Why? I'm so confused. I may just ditch this and maybe it's because it's a large font. Let's try 72. It's still doing as many lines. I don't know how to decrease the line thing. Yeah, like the comments are saying it's not user friendly. La 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 la. Okay, well, pooey. I guess that's that, huh? Let me look for one more. I also have simple stacked. Let me see if that is installed. Because I'll usually download a bunch and then install them. And then I don't remember installing them. Okay, so I've spent like 10 minutes on it. So I'm going to scrap it. And just do it the way I know how. Pen tool. And I'm just going to create this curve. And then hit X to switch, right click, and then create. Nope, I'm not even gonna do that. Just hit T for type, and then I'm gonna hover. It's hard to see, but I'm gonna hover over it, and there's gonna be like this wavy line that shows up through that eye. And then I'm gonna get rid of that font. Try to find something similar. It's like bubbly. What happened to all my fonts? Like, what in the world is going on here? Alright, when it doesn't work, just go to Nexus font and pull it up. I don't even know. In my basketball manager era, I'm gonna try to find one that's got that similar bubbly. Hey, what happened to all my fonts? Oh my Lanta. Oh, I don't know which one of these are what. I had them all sorted. Lovely. Maybe Alpha Fridge. Let's try that one. Alpha. No. You know what? My Photoshop, my whole Adobe was not loading. And I had to uninstall or delete my font master file thingamajiggy. And I bet that's what happened. I don't even know what I'm gonna do now. Lovely. Just lovely. Well, Arial rounded. Let's see, that's maybe an okay one. I don't even know. Find more. Arial rounded. Okay. do is 2, 3, 4. This one's gonna say era. This one's gonna say manager, basketball, and in my. Still not quite the font that I need. The one I was just looking at, Simple Stacked, has one that's not stacked, it's just simple. I don't know. Let's see. Like, how do I get all those stupid lines to go away? Do you just do them one at a time? No, because it's like 10 different lines. Sorry, I'm looking for another font just to see. Should not be this difficult. Not seeing anything. Oh, okay. Let's try this. In my happy groovy. I like that. Happy groovy. And it's 100. Let's see. If it's cutting off your letters, you need to find that this little square with the line and move it, which I may not have enough space at 100-point font, so let's try 90. There we go. Alright. No, just move it over. Okay, this one needs to be 90. Actually, it doesn't, because I think those are different. Because look, that fits pretty good at 90. And these are way bigger. So let's try 200. And I cut it off, so when you get that little line, move it over. I'll probably just duplicate it. Control X, cut it out. And my Alt click and drag to duplicate. My feel like that's smaller though. In my looks like crap. Now I want that more centered. I'm going to move those down and then just make this work. Yeah, it looks better. Everything's at a different angle. I almost always design in black and white too, just because I can see a lot better. I didn't like that B being so wonky. I think that looks better. And my basketball manager era. Still wish I had a better font. People don't realize like how much I've spent 20 minutes just on like getting this started. So yeah. I guess that's the way it's supposed to be. I'm gonna try that font one more time. Over here. This one? No. Stacked. I think maybe. You're just supposed to find the one that goes with it. Okay. So in my. So if I want the N to go back up, I have to switch it. Why aren't you switching? There it goes. Okay. Then I want my this M. Alright. So now it looks like a wave. Okay, I can do that. Alright. In my basketball. Okay, and then I gotta look at the picture. So B, A, my S, and my K need to go up. That way? K, my E also needs to go up. My T, basketball. Okay, I like that. Trying to figure out where. So those two go down. So it looks like it would go there. In my basket. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5. feel like it's not quite centered. Okay, hold on. I'm getting there. We're getting there. So you just have to go and you have to do each letter. So either way you're going to be working. Like, that doesn't look good. So, goodbye. But this doesn't look good yet. But I'm getting there. So yeah, use the font Simple Stacked from Creative Fabrica. I will link it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need the T right here. What if we did the other one? Real wavy stacked. I like that letter I better. Alright. So I N my goes back up my, and then B A S K E B A S K E T B A L L basketball. This is so complicated. Manager. M A N G I'm confused. M-A-N-A M-A-N-A G I think that one maybe. Basketball manager era. And this one goes down. Not really sure. I don't feel like it's doing anything. There we go. And then there we go. Okay, and then let's see. Does it have like a any special characters. I forgot how to look at that. Entire font. There we go. Doesn't look like we've got anything special. I don't like the stars. Nope. They're all just numbers. Okay. Alright, from here I'm going to mix and match. So for all of these, object, path, I don't know where it's at, but it's Control Shift O, outline stroke, Control Shift O, outline your text, Control Shift O, Shift and click, Control Shift O. Alright, now I can go in here and ungroup, Control Shift G to ungroup. Alright, now we can mix and match. And so I feel like, even still, needs to be further. I feel like this one, so if it's not ungrouping, it's because it's a compound path. So release compound path. Okay, so M, Y, I feel like these are going to be good. Maybe not. This one and this one. So I'm just grouping and ungrouping. Bring this up. So in my basketball, okay, here you've got to be careful when you release a compound path because it's going to leave your B's behind. So the one you want to keep, you're going to make back into a compound path. Same thing with the A. Like I want to keep this one down here because I think it's a similar size. So I'm going to make that back into a compound path. So BA, and then I guess we'll do these two L's. Alright, so there's my ball. Okay, basket. Release. Make. Release. Make. There's my BA. S. S. K. Bask. E T. E.T. Phone home. Basketball. Oops. I don't know. I still don't feel like it looks that great, but usually what I do is I work on it, I go to sleep, and when I wake up the next day, I'm like, oh yeah, that works or that doesn't. I think maybe the L's need to be... Let's just do it here. I'm gonna do it, might as well do it, right? I'll figure out the stars later. Alright. Alright, fun group. This needs to be bigger. In my that actually it's not too far off. Basket ball. Alright, maybe a different B? Is it because I'm taking the letters from, you know what I forgot to do? Copy an original set for my letters, because I don't know what size font I'm in. Lovely. I'm sorry about my nose. I think I was at 200. No, 180. 80. Yeah, that's gotta be right. Basketball. I don't get it. That's my original over there. looks way better over here. Like manager, like this right here. Excuse me. This one. That one. That one. That one. G E R. Like that looks good. I feel like these go up just a little. Yeah. Okay, that one's good. Now era. Okay. Goes up and then down. None of those do that. So let's just start a new one. So it needs to go up and then down. Control Shift O outlines the text for ungroup and release. So down, up, down. Alright, ungroup just a little bit. So far, it's the best yet. But also, it's taken 45 minutes to get to this point. Alright, I think that could work. Like that. Right, manager and era are good. I actually wonder. Could start to bring these down a little. one's gonna notice. Okay, basketball needs to be fixed. So I'm just gonna start over. And I've got that right here. Alright. Control Shift O, ungroup, and release compound path. So I'm gonna go with, oh wait, I typed it out though. I didn't change anything. So I want BAS and KET Let's try that. Control Shift O. Ungroup, release. Alright. Oh, I'm over this. I'm gonna go find the design and pay for it. Spend $4. Like, it goes down. Maybe it's this S. B A S flat and turn. Okay. Basket. I don't even know. Help, send help. Okay, that looks good. Up into to the E. BASKET B A. Okay, I think I got it. Try again for the 20 millionth time. Control Shift O. Ungroup, release. I'm just gonna go for this top row. say that, I think actually it might be better to do this one. I haven't even gotten to the other design yet, and I've already been doing this for an hour. Alright, I think I'm gonna stop there. And call it quits, because this is about as good as it's gonna get. I think it'll work. Let's see. I feel like this needs to be fixed. And bring this down. Bring this down. And the whole thing just needs to be slightly now I'm guessing if I spelled basketball correctly. I feel like it's just a hot mess. Okay. Maybe once I add in the like sparkly stuff. I'm also going to have to so it's pink, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, pink. That doesn't have any pattern. Great. So pink, purple, blue, pink, pink, purple, blue, pink, pink, purple, blue, pink. Why can't I? Okay. Pink, purple, blue, pink. purple, blue, pink, purple, blue, pink, purple, blue, pink, purple, pink. Ah, shoot. That ruined it. All those are going to be that color. Pink, purple. No. I have a feeling that's gonna be too much of the gray color that's in this shirt. I think that would look better. Now, what if it's growing on me? Effect. Where is it? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna Control C, Control Shift V, Control Group. Hey, it's okay. It's okay, Captain.